a bad idea? Me trying to juggle. It's a no-no. Hi, I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and I'm back with another video to bring you ridiculously valuable content in under 5 minutes, give or take, which is less time than it takes to cook minute rice. Simmer for 5 minutes, heat and stir, cover and let stand 5 minutes. This isn't minute rice, this is 10-minute rice. In previous videos, we talked about several different topics. We sprinkled in some cheesy and corny humor, and we're not sorry. It probably made you feel like you're watching a bad comedian at a tomato festival. Well, don't get yourself in a stew. In this video, we want to stir the pot and mix it up a bit. Instead of showing you how to be successful, we're going to show you how so many businesses fail at advertising on Facebook. Directing people to your website. We get it. Your .com is cool. You spend a lot of time and effort on your fancy website. It's got all these nifty bells and whistles, cool photos, videos, and graphics. Businesses make the huge mistake of directing their potential customers from their online ads to their website. Sending a customer to your website from an online ad is like having the attention span of a goldfish. I want you to count how many clickable links you can navigate on your website. That's the amount of distractions you're dangling in front of your customer's face like a dog seeing a squirrel. Squirrel! Take them to a landing page where there are only 2 options: sign up or leave. Choices are great when you're at a restaurant, not when you're asking someone a desired action. Give them what they want, that's it. Only saying thank you. Perhaps you're a business owner who uses landing pages. You've delivered your offer as promised. They sign up, you thank them, and tell them, check their email. You missed out on a great opportunity to upsell your customer. A thank you page, much like a landing page, is a place where you have your customers' full undivided attention, unless you ignore our advice and keep sending your customers to your website. Here you can focus on presenting an additional incentive to encourage them to schedule or offer them an exclusive one-time offer. You can upsell, you can downsell, you can ask for referrals, give away free physical products, or even conduct surveys. The idea here is to increase the sale and the relationship with your customer while you have their full attention. Following up, eventually, a potential customer clicks your ad. You send them to your landing page because you know sending them to your website is a no-no. The person opts in. A new lead. Oh man, it's Friday, it's getting late, it's end of the week. Well, we'll call them first thing in the morning. Have you not listened to anything I've said in my other videos? Call your customers back in 10 minutes. Your chances of getting that person to take action drops drastically every single minute you wait. Call your customers back, send them text messages, and email them some valuable, edutaining content about your business. You don't have to take our word for it, although we've seen these exact techniques work over and over and over and over again. We don't like to toot our own horn and talk about ourselves, but I'll tell you this, we are asking for the direct sale. Howdy, partner. I'm Hingle McCringleberry with Kringle McJingles Car and Trucks. Buy this 1971 lime green Ford Pinto for only $49,999.99. Would you pay for something from a company you have no relationship with? Would you ask your blind date to marry you the first time you met? Stop asking people to buy your products outright without any previous interaction, without educating them why you're valuable to them, assuming they're just going to pull out their wallet and automatically trust you. Create video content showing your personality of your staff, demonstrate how your products and services help your consumers, share your expertise and knowledge, and genuinely show how much you care. You'd be surprised how customers approach you, asking to buy instead of the other way around. Organic advertising. If you ever thought, I'll just post on my Facebook business page and people will like and share it. Free advertising. Facebook only shows a small percentage of your posts to your likes and followers. You could throw away your money, boost your posts to reach more people, or you could properly advertise on Facebook through Business Manager. Isn't there this awesome social media advertising company I keep seeing with all those videos? They provide ridiculous value helping and serving businesses. Look to earn people's trust, not just ask companies to hire them. What's their name? Your marketing fellow, your marketing buddy, your marketing guy, your marketing chap. So let's recap. Send people directly to your website so there's a million awesome things for them to look at. They won't be confused at all. When your customers sign up, make sure you say thank you, but don't do anything else. There's no reason to build a relationship. They already love you. Follow up whenever you feel like it. It's okay. They're patiently waiting for your call. And don't worry, they won't be interested in your competitor's offer. Woo! Howdy, it's Hinkle McCrickleberry again. Make sure you get them to buy right away. They don't need incentive. They wouldn't even be interested if they wanted to save their money. Hey, get your hands off my pito! Advertise directly on your Facebook business page. No need to do anything else. Who needs to pay for advertising? Don't sweat it. Your followers will do that for you. Follow these craptacular tips if you want to completely fail at advertising. Don't repeat the same mistakes other business owners are making. Use these 5 Facebook advertising no-nos as learning lessons of what not to do. If you have any questions about social media advertising, feel free to send us a private message on Facebook or give us a call at 717-PICK-YMD, or we'll steal your computer mouse and rearrange the letters on your keyboard. I'm Robert Terrell with Your Marketing Dude. Thanks for watching. You didn't see me.